G'day troopers. Today we are taking off the exhaust system from an 84 XV Yamaha Virago Gen 2, or first of the Gen 2s. The reason why I'm taking this off is because I need to drop the motor, so the exhaust system has to come off. First thing, loosen up the flanges. There's one here on the front cylinder, which is cylinder number 2, one on the back cylinder. The foot pegs support the exhaust system, so they'll have to come off. There's one on the other side, obviously. There's an O-ring, or there should be an O-ring between these two cylinders here underneath, or sorry, between those two exhaust pipes underneath, but I don't actually have one. I noticed that, but anyway, so the sealing ring is gone, so the rear exhaust pipe should just fall off once they take the flange off. And then flange, bolts on either side, and the whole thing should drop down. Let's see how it works in practice. Let's have a look underneath. Yep, as I thought, that's loose as shit. Remove foot peg, brake pedal. Looks like this is loose, it's ready to come out. I reckon this thing could be holding it somehow. How can we disconnect it? That's disconnected. Alright, now the front. There you go. I believe that's the exhaust system, except for this pipe here. That's got to come out. Okay, so I'm a little bit stuck. I think take out the battery box. They'll give me room from the back there to push this flange out, and hopefully this pipe will come out this way. Hello, battery box. Okay, so I'm stuck. I'm stuck with this rear pipe. There's no way I can figure out how to drag it out except for dropping the motor, which is my next move anyway. And that's your missing link there for the exhaust pipe. Well, this is certainly one way of removing pipes from a XV750. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.